It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And of course guys, we will be having another edition of it again tonight, but before we go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you love the content you're getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family? Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. And of course guys, if you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. This started a downtrend right from here, and of course it started selling right from there, got to this support zone, was unable to go further, so it's went back on uptrend, and of course had another pullback right from this resistance zone. Okay, so right now it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, then it will sell again. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Boom 500 actually went on uptrend right from this support zone, got to this resistance zone, had the pullback but was unable to go below this. It went back up again, still had another pullback, went back up again, and of course it has not been able to break out above the resistance zone. But if it's unable to do so, then definitely it will go back on downtrend, but we need the right signals before we start selling right from there. So this is very, very important. This is still buying at the moment, but it might not be for a very long time. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is crash 1000. Crash 1000 started an uptrend from here but came to an end at this resistance zone, so it started a downtrend right from here, and it has been selling since then. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Crash 500 had been on downtrend for long, but right from here it started an uptrend, but it has not been able to break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so it is having a pullback at the moment. Once it is done with the pullback, then it will continue with the uptrend, and it will try out this resistance zone again. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. It might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction back into a buy trend. So this is very, very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out together. Volatility 75 had been on downtrend for a very long time, got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there, had a pullback, and of course it is still selling again, and might be trying out the support zone again. If it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on buy trend to try out this resistance zone again. So this is selling at the moment. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who have one question or the other about the trading tools, you can drop your questions within the comment section. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.